How to set a wallpaper on Snapchat for free. This tutorial shows you how to customize the chat background behind your conversations. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. After that, tap on the Chat tab at the bottom. From there, open the conversation you want to customize. At this point, tap on the person's name at the top of the chat. In the next step, tap on Chat Wallpaper, sometimes found by tapping the three dots first. Following this, you'll see a selection of built-in wallpapers to choose from for free. Once done, tap on any wallpaper to preview how it looks behind your chat. From here, tap Set or Apply once you've found one you like. At this stage, if you'd like to use your own photo instead, tap on Choose from Gallery within that same menu. Keep in mind, this wallpaper only changes for that specific chat, so you'll need to repeat the process individually for other conversations. Finally, exit back to your Chat tab to confirm the new wallpaper is applied. And that's it. If this guide helped you set a wallpaper on Snapchat for free, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.